हेलो एवरीवन। आई होप कि सब लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे। वैसे आप लोग सब मेरे वीडियोस देख ही रहे हो और सिर्फ देखना ही काम नहीं है, आपको स्टडी भी करना है। बिकॉज जो भी मैं टॉपिक सिखा रही हूँ इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर कॉमर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट विच इज जनरल टॉपिक्स रिलेटेड टू ऑल द सब्जेक्ट। बिकॉज हम थोड़े थोड़े सभी सब्जेक्ट्स कवर कर रहे हैं। तो चलो हम लोग कंटिन्यू करते हैं अपनी वीडियो के लिए। अपना टॉपिक चल रहा था, दैट वाज द लास्ट टॉपिक विच वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू, दैट इज scope of business ethics. Under this, now the last scope we are going to do, that is ethics in production. अभी जब भी आप लोग वर्ड प्रोडक्शन कभी भी सुनते हो तो आपके माइंड में आता रहेगा कि प्रोडक्शन मीन्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ गुड्स और प्रोवाइडिंग द सर्विसेज टू योर कस्टमर। नाउ यहाँ पे ये टॉपिक है कि हाउ यू गाइज आर गोइंग टू, हाउ द कंपनीज आर गोइंग टू डू ethically in production of goods or providing the service, how they are going to produce the goods or how they are going to offer the perfect quality goods to their customer. Now what are the key areas हम लोग देखते हैं। तो the very first is, जब भी वर्ड प्रोडक्शन आता है तो हम लोग को हमेशा याद रखना है कि क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस, टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट, all these are related to our production and operations management. In this, the very first one is quality assurance. Now guys, क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस की हम लोग जब बात कर रहे हैं, सो व्हाट विल बी एथिकल वे। यहाँ पे एथिकल वे ये रहेगा कि एज अ कंपनी, एज अ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी, एज अ बिजनेस ओनर, आई शुड नेवर कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन माई प्रोडक्ट्स while manufacturing the products. I should use the best quality of raw material because at the end I want to provide the finished goods to my customer. So you have to, company has to understand what is quality assurance, how you are going to give the excellence product or excellent services of assurance to your customer. That is quality assurance. The next key area is use of safe raw material. Now again the same. Here, as a production manager, अगर मैं काम कर रही हूँ उनसे कंपनी में and I am in the position of production manager, what will be my first duty? कि मुझे कौन से भी प्रोडक्ट्स में कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करना है। कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करना है मीन्स आई शुड यूज द बेस्ट क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स टू माई consumer. That is the way of doing your work in an ethical way, doing the right thing in the production sector. Now, what is use of safe raw material over here? While manufacturing, here the company should avoid the ban or any of the chemical product, right? Because at the end, what you are going to give your customer, that is quality assurance. Now, it depends, guys, ki what are the industry, whether it is B2B, B2C, C2C, it depends on industry. I am giving you just a basic example of business to consumer, right? Now, the very next example of the key area is environmental responsibility. Now, guys, again, what is the ethical way of doing environmental responsibility? हमने देखा था कि each and every company has to perform CSR, that is social responsibility. In fact, if you want to exist in the society, what you have to give in return to the society. So, as a primary responsibility of any of the company, that is environmental responsibility. If my manufacturing plant is there, so I have to see that I am installing different types of pollution control system in my company because I don't want to harm my society, my nearby society. That is what the company has to remember also about their responsibility towards their environment, right? And the very last one is worker safety. Guys, another word for the worker safety in the company uses ergonomics, which is known as. Now, what is this ergonomics? The very short word for the ergonomics is the basic principles, rules and regulations for the worker's safety while performing the work in the organization is known as ergonomics. In short, how the organization is treating their employees in a safe working environment, right? What are the basic principles that the organization has come up to the workers to give them, because workers are the most important primary part in any of the production sector. So what are the ergonomics principles of any of the organization is very much important. Guys, जब भी हम production में use करते हैं, production, manufacturing, these are very basic terms that we are going to study. Now, what are the ergonomics? What are the principles of ergonomics? That is a very vast topic that we are going to do in our next video. Just for your understanding that worker safety is primary responsibility, that is the ergonomics, that is workers safety principles made by the organization for the best working condition to their workers in the organization. So guys, here we have ended up with the interesting topic that was a scope of business ethics. हमने बहुत सारे scopes देखे, बहुत सारे areas देखे जो business ethics के related important थे. That was HR, finance, legal terms, compliance, and last was our production, marketing. Guys, इसमें अगर आप लोग को ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ मिस हो गया है या और आपको केस स्टडी चाहिए, जैसे कि हम लोगों ने फाइनेंस में हमने 2 कंपनीज इंटरनेशनल एंड वन ऑफ द इंटरनेशनल नेशनल कंपनीज वी हैव टेकन. अगर और आपको और इंटरेस्टिंग कुछ टॉपिक में जानना है, कुछ और केस स्टडी जानना है, सो प्लीज गाइस कमेंट मी, और ये वीडियोस उन बच्चों तक जरूर पहुंचाइए जिन्हें अंडरस्टैंड करना है इन वेरी इजी टर्म, इन वेरी इजी लैंग्वेज. So guys, kindly like our videos, comment me with any of your doubts, with any of your innovative case study and ideas, and also guys, subscribe. Stay tuned for next video. Bye bye. Thank you.